guys, I'm back again for another tutorial video, and today I'm going to show you how to post images on Instagram using your Chrome browser. Yes, it's possible, although it comes with limitations. One thing I noticed is that I was only able to post images that are in the JPEG or JPEG format. So yeah, there might be other limitations as well. Anyways, let's start! The first thing we need to do, as usual, is to log into our account using our Chrome browser. Not now. Okay. Now that we're logged in, right-click on the blank space and click on Inspect to bring up the developer tools. The shortcut for that will be Ctrl-Shift-J or Ctrl-Shift-I. So now that we have our developer tools here, let's click on the device icon. That's the second icon on the developer tools from your left. Okay, click on that. As you can see here, it would appear to be like on a mobile phone, right? Now the next thing we're gonna do is to click here and select which ones of these or which model of phones we're going to use. Let's go for iPhone X. Alright, so it's still not appearing, right? We still don't see the plus button that we're going to use when we post images. The next thing you're going to do here is to refresh your browser. And there you go, the plus icon here appears. Now the next thing we're going to do after this is to just post as usual. Click on the plus button, check on which image you would like to post, and click on open. See, it's similar when you're using your phone, right? Click on next. Write a caption if you would like. I'm going to leave it as is. And then click on share. And there you have it. You have successfully posted on Instagram using your Chrome browser. Easy, right? For more video tutorials like this, hit on the subscribe button or click on the link on the screen to go to our website. Have a great day, guys. Bye!